I am presenting a qualitative study on finding strategies against misinformation in social media. Previous studies have shown that social media can convey and evoke emotions. Metacognitive strategies, or in other words, thinking about thinking, can be employed to help users to detect misinformation and react appropriately. Also, engaging people in evaluating information reduces susceptibility to inaccuracies. However, people are often not motivated to engage in information evaluation. We conducted online focus groups with social media users. In each group, 3 to 4 participants discussed the following questions. What role plays social media in your everyday life? What experiences did you have with misinformation? How did you detect and approach misinformation in the past? Each session was recorded and then transcribed. 2 raters extracted thematic blocks from these transcripts. 3 thematic blocks were identified: importance of social media for everyday life, experience with misinformation, and participants' insight. Participants noted that especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, social media became more important for their everyday life, and they use it mainly to connect with people, but also for gathering information. At the same time, they acknowledged that misinformation has become an increasing problem on social media, and they usually choose to either ignore, warn others, report it to the platform, or search for alternative sources. However, taking action or not usually depended on whether misinformation were of personal concern or not. Participants also agreed that misinformation have a strong negative emotional impact. However, none of them really employed elaborative strategies for detecting misinformation besides source checking. In general, participants realized that identifying misinformation is a problem in social media, and they recognized the increasing impact of social media on their everyday life. Based on our results, 3 implications of how to support users were formulated: information selection, information engagement, and emotion management. Misinformation should be made less visible, and at the same time, key information need to be highlighted. Users should be encouraged to engage with information to trigger metacognitive processes, and also discuss and cross-reference with friends, family, or colleagues. Furthermore, the desire for feedback to the user on their emotional response can help them to understand how their own reactions influence their emotions, thoughts, and actions.